Hi guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katia Valino. Today I'm kind of like vlogging or talking on the go, right? Do you like my hair? I don't know, someone sent me this, even though I had a similar wig like that. But anyways, so so guys, yeah, she doesn't want me to mention her name. She just want me to wear it, and then she wants to get the response about this hair before we can dive into doing more stuff. So guys, today I just want to lift up some of smaller YouTubers or medium YouTubers or whoever that needs to be lifted up. Just stay here because I'm going to lift you up, right? One way or the other. So, some people reached out to me on my Instagram about two YouTubers based in Nigeria. One is based in Nigeria, the other one is based in UK. And then also from some other friends as well who are YouTubers. They're very sad or maybe worrisome or maybe not being encouraging because their YouTube is not being monetized. From people who, somebody said that she already reached 1,000 subscribers and still her channel is not yet monetized. But here is what I want to share with you guys. You see people who are getting money from AdSense, the ads that runs on the videos. I want to tell you guys something. This is why I'm telling you that this is an encouragement video. Don't let the ads on the video that you see out there on some channels put you down. AdSense pays nothing. When I tell you nothing, between $1 to $10 per 1,000 views. To me, I don't consider that money. Even though you might have like 100,000 views, and then if your channel is a channel that doesn't really do educational, because face the fact, the channels that do educationals get more paid than people who do gist and stuff like that. But because I have been there in my channel, I do DIYs, I do skincare, and I do gist, so I can tell you, literally tell you how it works. So what I'm trying to tell you here is, do not sit back. Do not give up. There are so many ways to make money. Tons and tons of money on YouTube that is not AdSense. A whole lot of big YouTubers, you'll be surprised and shocked to know that their money doesn't necessarily come from AdSense. They make so much money from elsewhere that is not AdSense. So my key point here to you is to get out there and seek some brands. Talk to brands, talk to, if you're into makeup, go directly to companies that manufacture makeup. Prepare your media kit. If you don't know how to do a media kit, please reach out to me on Instagram. I will send you a copy of my media kit, or send me an email through my website, katiavalino.com/contact. I will send you my media kit. You're going to go and look for somebody who can help you prepare a media kit. So the media kit is what you're going to send out to companies, to brands. Media kit is basically, it carries all your social media information. Your Instagram, it says how many followers you have. YouTube says how many followers you have. If you have worked with other brands, you also have to incorporate the banner, the logo of the brands that you have worked for. If you don't want to do media kit and don't know how to start the media kit, get out to the stores, get to your neighbors, get to people who you know that are business owners. Talk to them, tell them that you can market their products for them. They will pay you some money to market their products. Before, I listed some websites where you can go and find out your value. What do you worth? Because it's very important and crucial for you to know what you're worth before you can approach companies. I think they are called socialblade.com or social blue blade. I don't remember, but pardon me if I find it. I'm going to put the link at the bottom of this video so you can get over there and find out your worth and work with that. Talk to people, talk to one-on-one. Fame Beats, it's good. FAMEBIT. Fame Beats. Get over there, register, and then you can get a whole lot of brands there. If you have a website, like for me, I have a website, so the same thing that goes on YouTube goes on website. AdSense also serves ads on your website. And not only that, reach out to people, advertise for people in your website, uh, get money to do one-to-one shout out, like people who are doing events. They can give you their events to announce, birthday pictures and stuff like that. You make a whole lot of money instead of just sitting and waiting for AdSense. You don't want something to demoralize you. I know that it pains so much, like you get out, you do a lot of research, you do a whole lot of stuff, you put it out there, you're not making money from AdSense. But AdSense is not the only way to go. Just build your brand, know your worth, know what you can do, reach out to people, or however, create your own products. It doesn't matter if it's just one product that you have. Create your own product and use YouTube Medium to promote your own product as well. There are some companies also who will tell you that they would like to put their own banner on your website, on your YouTube. So when they place the banner at the description box of your own YouTube, you make money. Check out Amazon. Amazon pays very well. Get over to Amazon, register with Amazon, so that when people buy the products that you use through Amazon, you also get money, multiple streams of income. AdSense is only one way to make money. Figure out how you're gonna make money. You fought so much to be on YouTube. Apparently, you have a camera, you do your editing, you do all these things. So I don't think it's a big deal as well for you to get out there and seek out help from brands and make a little bit of money. Sell something, even if you're selling bitter leaf on your YouTube. Hey, at the end of the day, it's your own YouTube channel. You do whatever you want to do with your own YouTube. Go and just find people and market the products for them. And trust me, you're gonna come back here and you're gonna make an additional video to say thank you to me for sharing all this information. AdSense, like I said, it's not money. I'm not saying that it's zero money, but when you get into working with brands, even if you do one brand in a month, I'm assuring you that you're gonna look back and then you're gonna say, is that what I'm missing? So guys, don't give up. Keep pushing. Keep talking to brands. Keep talking to individuals. Even if you think that brands will not look at you because you might be a smaller YouTuber, talk to people. Let me tell you something. If you do with one person that you know that has an individual business, the next day somebody else will call you. So it's all about word of mouth, referral. Keep doing that until your AdSense kicks in, and then AdSense will also be an additional revenue for you to gather more income. But AdSense is not the key. Get into doing some workshop. Gather some women together. Talk to them about whatever you're doing. If you're doing skincare, they pay money to come and listen to those kind of workshops. If you're not sure, pick up a big YouTuber in your city and ask that big YouTuber to collaborate with you, so that you will use the influence of the YouTuber to start making planning or putting together some workshops. From there, you will grow. Nobody has one stream of income these days. It's a little bit of here and a little bit of there. And then at the end of the month, you will smile. So guys, thank you for your time. Subscribe and share the video. I love you guys. Bye. And please remember to subscribe to my reality show channel. I will leave the link at the bottom of this video. Bye bye.